Have you forgotten that battle of Joshua chapter 10? When the Israelites were being embattled by their enemies, and the Bible says God sent forth stones from heaven, and the more died through the crushing of the stone from heaven than those who were killed by Joshua's weaponry. When heaven wants to secure you, heaven will fight your battle. When I took aka, a man able apple of God's eyes. Oye toga aka apon. Bidokita agawa ya by na covenant. Oye to kwa mo na gajo aka apon. Ojera ya jiji ukwu atonija. O mara yini ya dabo ni ya. O were ego ya ga to ti ha ga eme ego kokwa na aba ya. O ga eji konkom na yoze ego na street.